So I'm going to do this quick training for you guys. Simple stuff to look at so you can get more leads and sales in your business. Right into it, audience. This is always the number one thing because I realized even in my business, this is something that a lot of us just don't understand. We don't understand that we got to know who we're speaking to or who our target audience is. And if we know exactly who we're speaking to, we need to know what type of information that goes with them. But if you're talking to, say you're posting on social media, this is very key because with social media, you're judged by the first few amount of people that watch your video. So you got to hit it home and you got to understand that. You can't come out and be broad and just say, hey, if you're a network marketer and you're looking, that's cool. You might find a few, but in business, if you're going to reach cold leads, I think your audience should be a little bit better, more so someone wanting to go into business or somebody already with business experience. That should kind of be what you're targeting. And then knowing those pain points of these people. If you're targeting someone that's in business, maybe they don't understand your simple system on how to always have a certain amount of leads coming in every day. And if it's a newbie, how to easily put together a business model without a whole bunch of work, without any experience as a complete newbie and have some success. Knowing how to speak to your proper audience is everything. This alone will ruin everything. If you're just someone just throwing random stuff out there because you think it's cool, remember, you're not selling to yourself in the state you're in now. You can't assume everyone believes your business and your product is what they need. It's legit. You can't just assume that just because you've been through, this series of events that allowed you to believe it. Because some of you, when you first seen whatever it is you're in, you probably didn't think it was legit. So I see a lot of people making a very consistent mistake in that area. The next is cold leads to warm leads. So when I'm promoting on social media, I'm mainly going for the cold leads anyway. So I have to understand, how do I get these cold leads to somewhat know, like, and trust me? A lot of free training, a lot of valuable stuff that you could take away and implement in your business right now. If you're just someone that's not in business, I get you to understand the simplicity and put your guard down when it comes to starting a business. Giving your story is going to be very helpful. So people know, hey, he's a regular person. He's exactly where I am right now, and he's doing it. Showing some consistency on personality, who you are as a person, is key to, all these are key to warming your lead up, because a warm lead is not just someone that's going to, hey, I'm going to buy. Maybe if your warm market is already usually buying from you, yeah, but I'm just saying, getting these cold leads a little bit warmer, so when they go to your website, they actually look at it for how it is. New prospects. So when I'm posting on social media as well, I'm looking, like I said, I'm looking for new prospects. A lot of you get so stuck, promoting to your core group of people that, keep joining you in every opportunity, that you forget that if you want to build a lot of success, you want to find new people, and you want to find them, daily. A lot of you are just so stuck marketing to marketers, and you forget to think outside the box, or you forget to understand that there's billions of people. So a lot of you say, hey, there's billions of people on the internet. You shouldn't be scared that you're not going to get sales. But a lot of you don't even know how to promote to those billions of people because you're so worried about your warm market. And the people have been buying off of you for years. And just remember, people are watching. That's another thing. People are watching. If you're someone also, let's speak to someone who doesn't have a lot of success online, but you've been in the game for a while, you're going to have to just improve your skills. Even if you're promoting to your warm market, you're going to have to make your warm market understand that you know what you're talking about. I say this all the time. Just because your product is amazing doesn't mean that it's for that person at that time. Now, you could have just went off and just showed people what you're going to help them learn, and they could just join you and your business off of that bit of education and not really need the product. There's a lot of people in businesses where they don't really use the product. They just join someone that they know, like, and trust. Or maybe they just join for, like my program, we have a academy for free that we give you. Maybe you just join Internet Income System because you want all the hours of marketing education that we give away. And here's the key to everything. If you want to know if your content is powerful, if it's working, pay attention to the engagement. If you're posting short form videos, pay attention to the engagement. If you're not getting likes, really, with a short form video, likes are nice. After it simmers down and the views aren't going up, comments and who's in my DM, if I'm sending them to the DM, is what I measure it off. If there's no one engaging with you, you either had no call to action, you either just made a video with no intentions for anyone to even know you're in business, or the video's just not good. So remember that when you're making content, engagement is really, we could just do a whole training on engagement. If you're not getting engagement that's allowing you to either build relationships or get leads, your content's not good yet. So work on your content. But this is just some of the stuff that we teach in the academy, but this is key stuff that's going to allow you to have more sales and conversions in your business, because there's no need for a lot of you guys to go, a month without making a sale. That's ridiculous in this day and age. If you're going a month without making any sales or having any nice amount of leads, there's something wrong in a business. You probably didn't learn something you needed to learn, and you're not approaching your business the proper way. So we want to help you try to get in profit, start making money, within your first 2 weeks, or at least getting some leads and feeling useful in your business. So if you want more information on the academy, we're actually going live at 7 p.m. Eastern. Hopefully I get this video out in time. Drop a comment and I'll get you that info.